Hello. Today I'm gonna show you how to operate your combination lock on your APS safety box. What you need to know about combination lock. APS combination lock consists of few patterns that are important for you to understand. There are 3 steps to open the safety box. First, 4 times counterclockwise rotation, then 3 times clockwise rotation, and 2 times counterclockwise rotation. Remember, 4, 3, and 2. Don't worry, we'll show you how it's done step by step. Okay, let's get to your safety box now. The combination lock for today is 10, 20, and 30. First, make sure the combination lock marker is pointed at 0. Then slowly turn the dial 4 times in counterclockwise, and stop exactly at number 10, which is our first password number. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, turn the dial 3 times in clockwise, passing number 20 twice, which is your second password number, and stop at 20, the third time. 1, 2, and 3. Step 3, turn the dial 2 times in counterclockwise, passing number 30 once, and stop at the same number on the second time. 1 and 2. Next, turn the dial slowly in clockwise, until the dial stops, and unlocks. Now you can unlock your APS safety box. Easy, right?